glue gel right now. I'm about to apply the cute charm there. Like I love the background and in the back. You can do half neck and 1/3 and then just skip in the middle to put the stuff on it. Absolutely totally fine. However you would like. And no wipe top coat on the top. There's no wipe top coat in condensed glue gel will help grab the crystal in one place. And it will help keep the crystal stay nice. You and your clients can be, sit back and ensure it's gonna look not only pretty, but also it's last so long. I don't know what other crystal you want to see the colors besides just AB. Hold on, I'm gonna lay this one in the last, and I am going to give it some cute looks on this heart right there. Here you go. And also in that. Today something is like the contents we're doing is so simple, so everybody can really enjoying it. Sorry. So we'll get into that one. All right. Hi Instagram, thanks so much for tuning right back in. If you missed the part earlier, don't worry, you can re-watching them from our IGTV. And let me know if you want to see something tomorrow. I am going to apply the I still have a lot of questions that how can you place a crystal placement on if you are beginners and you're curious about how to achieve really nice look. As long as you place your crystals really close and tight together, it usually gives you a really nice look when you finish. Great. So if I'm happy with this look, I just want a sample because I didn't want to get it and taking away from the fusion inks underneath, because it absolutely, she's really like a lot of going on there. Look at her, you're so sassy. Okay, if you like it, we're going to kill this one for 60 seconds. If you don't want a bigger one, there's a smaller one. All right, put in the lamp for about 60 seconds. That is strong backgrounds and I love it.